good with y'all? We tuning in for another video. I'm pulled up down here at Joe Buddy Racing. But see what we got going on, man. I got a homeboy coming through today. I don't know what we're gonna get into. Y'all gonna be seeing him, man. Y'all definitely gonna have to subscribe to his channel, man. He got a nice F body, man. I hope he bring the car today. But he coming from about 2 hours out, so we about to link up, man. Make stuff happen. I hope he bring that car, man. That car's sick. It's turbo F body. Y'all gonna see him on the vlog in a little bit, but we about to run in the shop and see what we got going on today and see what Uncle got in here now. So, and make sure to go subscribe to my uncle channel, man, Joe Buddy Racing. It's on the screen right now, so make sure to go subscribe to him, man. He got to 1,000 subscribers. Thank everybody that's supporting him, and you know, he got some more content coming, all that. We're gonna get that street car put together, and it's gonna be on. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, y'all see, he drove that thing all the way down here. If that ain't a real street car, I don't know what is. So
it's my bad. It's alright.
Yeah, y'all see it. What up, Kyle? Yeah, y'all see my buddy Kyle told you he gonna pull up today. This is it. Let me show y'all his car right quick. I'll go ahead and show y'all F bodies. This thing nice. Real street car, as y'all see. Like I said, y'all definitely gotta subscribe to his YouTube channel. Y'all know I'm sending y'all all my boys and stuff. That's his Instagram right there. Go check the Instagram. Follow on Instagram and everything. Turbo F body, y'all. So this thing is nice.
It came like that.
I had that done.
So like I said, y'all definitely go check him out on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and get his numbers up. Y'all know how we do, cause y'all gonna be seeing him on the channel too, me on his channel. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, look, checking in. So what we about to do, since Kyle came a good little ride. So, and I didn't know, like I said earlier in the vlog, I didn't know if he was gonna drive the car or not. But we about to go to my house. So it's 40 minutes out. We about to go to my house. I'm gonna go get my Camaro. We're gonna go pick up John Jones, and man, we're gonna give y'all some good content or whatever. So y'all just stay tuned. Next time we pop up, we should be pulling mine out, and then y'all about to enjoy this video. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. I don't know if y'all can see. We on the interstate. It's a real street car. I want y'all to see we're on the interstate, so. Yes, indeed. Alright, y'all, look, we checking in. We headed to my house. Go get my Camaro, get some content. Y'all see Kyle on the highway, everything. Like I said, it's real street car. Trying to get some E85 and see what's good. So y'all see, still back seat, all of that good stuff in it. So he trying to get some E85, get some of that good E right there. Boom boom. Be putting my car on E85 soon. I'll be putting mine on that E real soon. So one of them, something going on at the park. So we're trying to get that straightened out. So next clip, man, y'all see we should be getting together. It's probably gonna be a series of video with me and him doing some stuff. I definitely want y'all to go over to his channel and subscribe. I got it down below right now. So go to his channel, man. He got some epic content. This thing is bad. Y'all know I like F bodies too. I like all of them. This thing is bad. It's a clean piece. So yes, indeed. So y'all stay tuned in. All right, so we made it to the house, and we got John Jones out and Silver Surfer back there. We at the house, so we about to go get some footage for y'all. I don't know, we're gonna do something. We're gonna get some footage and, you know, to have a good time. So look, y'all stay tuned into the video. Make sure to slide over to Kyle's channel and check his YouTube out. Y'all gonna want to see his footage and stuff too. So we about to fire these things up and get y'all some footage. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to ride in this beast. This thing sounds so good. Oh yeah, got it. It's talking super low. Yeah, it does.
but the tires didn't want no part of it.
Nah, man, we were skating the whole time, man. Y'all, we were skating the whole time, but it was moving. I'm talking about it's pulling non-stop. Golly. This thing crazy.
I'll turn around.
Yeah, you straight. Hey man, you got a mean ride right here. You said the nitro, you like the nitro better than this?
Nah. Now I might like the nitrous better with this.
Yeah.
You know, I get to go with it. You know, that's just on the street leaving. That's just that wasn't even no boost or.
Alright, now we roll.
Good.
Yeah, we're good. Hey man. Hey, you ride a car. Hey, this thing is nasty. This thing nasty, man. Alright, y'all, so we at the gas station. I hope y'all enjoyed the little highway footage. We had a little mishap. Look, I had another mishap. Another one, man. Like, it's time to get some new suction cups, man. Like, fell out the car, fell out my car, broke the mount and the case. So now I got to order this. I need a whole nother case and a mount cause I'm down to one case now. That's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go home and order some cases and stuff and all that today. Car getting the E put in the car. Cause the pump that was where I'm at is they trying to give me a copyright. Well, the pump where I'm located, they was out. So he getting some E. He got flex fuel too. The car run on 93 too. So you know, but E85 better. So
100 miles back.
yeah, look. Well, how many miles, Kyle?
98.
98 miles back, so it's a real street car. It don't get no more street than that, man. It's true street car. So yeah, Kyle about to get back. So look, I hope y'all enjoyed this video today, and definitely, like I said, go subscribe to Kyle's channel. Let's get him to 200-300, something like that. Hey man, y'all know everybody I rock with like family to me. Especially if I show them on this channel and I'm telling y'all, hey, go check their content out. Y'all know they're gonna be coming with some heat. So yeah, and y'all gonna be seeing me and him together a lot, different content, track, all type of stuff. So
yeah, track's next.
Yeah, we going to track next.
Track's next.
The track's next. So y'all.
We want some boost.
Yeah, exactly, man. Cause both of these cars turned down. The ride y'all saw was he was on wastegate boost. They was on 9 pounds. It was on wastegate boost. Mine was on wastegate boost. If y'all want to see that ride, he rode in my car today too. So if y'all want to see that ride, go over to his channel. He got that on. He got that one on his GoPro. So y'all check that out. I want to see it myself too. I can't wait to see it. So yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in. I'm out.